You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com. Matt, tell me what's happened with your elbow.
I've just been having pain on the inner portion of it.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
6.
6. How did you injure your elbow?
Playing baseball.
And how long that's been going on, your pain?
Since December.
December last year, 2016. So it's about. What's difficult for you to do? Show me the motion.
It's difficult to straighten my
arm
and then throw.
Did you have any treatment for that before? To stimulate the pain, we just do this and that's painful.
Yes.
How much now? 4 or 5, and that's the area.
Yeah.
Okay. Any pain in your wrist? Move your wrist. Any pain with that?
No.
Let me see the other one. Just a little bit. Okay. As I mentioned, everything should be pain-free. If you feel any pain, let me know. I'm gonna work on releasing that and we'll test it after. How many days you practice a week?
5, unless we have a game.
You experience pain during playing or afterwards?
During when I'm throwing, I can feel it.
It's 6 out of 10, and that sharp in here?
Yeah.
Is that painful?
No.
Oh, bruises here. Is that bruises?
Yeah, I got hit with the baseball.
When that happened?
2 days ago.
Did you feel more pain after that?
No, it didn't affect.
The color was worse.
Seam marks from the baseball.
That's painful. It was high velocity. You're a tough guy. I'm glad it did not hit your elbow.
Yeah, me too. It feels deeper than that.
You feel the scar tissue? You feel those bumps?
I can feel it.
It's a lot of scar tissue. So let me work on that. Okay. Put this again. You're gonna feel cold. Is that painful here?
No.
Let's pull it out. How you feel that scar tissue. Compare this to this is a bad example. Compare this to this. Feel how nice and smooth here. Feel this. It's all scar tissue. Did you see the redness? The scar tissue. Should be 5-10 minutes after the treatment. There you go. See those spots?
Yeah.
See that?
Yes.
I can feel it like where he has the scar tissue. This instrument really very good designed to really detect the scar tissue. Scar tissue. And with the instrument and the material, it's helped me actually to feel it, and I can feel like bumps when I do that. Compared to like this area, it's nice. Smoother now actually, that's actually gets smoother fast. Can you come at that?
No.
You can see the instrument is not going straight, it's jumping. See? That's a deeper scar tissue, that's more superficial. Okay, straight your elbow until you feel pain, it's gone.
It's less, but I still feel pain.
0 to 10, 3, and you feel it deep inside, so it went down. Okay, can you rotate it outward? Is it painful?
No.
Grinding, you can see it. Is it too much?
Yeah, a little bit.
Sorry. Right. So let's straighten it. In pain.
Yeah, but it's less definitely.
0 to 10.
Probably 2 now.
2 in the same area?
Yeah.
The same spot? Okay.
Is your range of motion better when you
Yeah.
straighten it?
Yeah, so
You can straighten it.
before it would stop. It feels way better.
0 to 10.
Like 0.5, barely.
May I get some water, please? Okay, let's do it again and tell me you still feel it or it's gone.
I still feel it on the end, but it's not where it was. I can go farther.
How much when you feel it?
It's barely there. I can barely feel it when I fully extend.
Some water, thank you. Make sure you drink after the treatment because when I break the scar tissue that's released toxins, just want to flush it quickly so you don't feel soreness. After this, we'll put this on the side and I want you to try it again and tell me how it feels. Still feel it or it's gone?
I don't feel it until I get fully.
Fully extended?
Fully
Okay.
extended.
Relax. And where do you feel it?
I feel it right here in front of the bone.
Right, that's beautiful, okay? Is it painful?
No.
Got a lot of tightness inside. Yeah. You playing today?
Yeah.
Get you normal for the game. Try it again.
I don't feel it.
10.
I can feel it a little when I come all the way out.
Where do you feel
Right here.
Do 10. Do you feel it or no?
I feel it a little bit.
0 to 10.
Like 2.
Where?
Right in here.
When you bend it.
No, when I come up, I feel it.
Is that too much?
No.
Okay. Again. How's that?
Good.
Let's do 10. Any pain, discomfort?
No. A
Alright.
little bit discomfort,
Where?
but still right there.
How much? 0 to 10.
Barely any. Barely feel it. Not really pain. It's just like
A little stretch. Try it one more time and tell me how that feels or it's gone.
No, it's gone.
Awesome, thank you. So tell me, what do you think about Aster, what we just did?
I think it's amazing work.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.